What if I told you that while you sleep, your money could be working harder than you do? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build real, consistent passive income in India without quitting your job or falling for fake get rich quick traps. See, most people spend their entire life trading time for money. You stop working, the money stops flowing. But the real wealth builders, the ones who create freedom, do something different. They build systems that earn for them 24 by 7. This video is your roadmap to that world. The proven strategies to build multiple streams of income that pay you long after the work is done. So stick with me till the end because I will share step by step examples you can start implementing right after watching this video. And hey, before we dive in, hit that like button if you want your money to start working for you. And if you are serious about building an online income, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. You will get access to free and premium courses that teach you how to build and scale your online business. So, let's begin. What passive income really is. Let's clear something up first. Passive income is not money falling from the sky. It's money that comes in after you have built something valuable, a system, a skill, or an investment that keeps paying you over time. Think of it like planting a mango tree. In the beginning, you water it, protect it, and wait before it grows. It gives you fruit every season. That's how passive income works. The hard work comes first, the reward comes later. And there are three main ways to plant those trees. 1. Invest your time, like building a blog, a YouTube channel, or an online course. 2. Invest your money, like stocks, SIPs, or real estate. 3. Invest your skills by creating tools or digital products that solve people's problems. Let's compare. When you work a job, you get paid for hours worked. That's active income. But when you build an asset like an app, a course, or an investment portfolio, it keeps earning even when you are not working. For example, a friend of mine spent about 200 hours building a mobile app. Once it went live, it started earning him ad revenue every single month. Now, years later, it still makes him money with almost zero effort. That's the mindset shift. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a creator and investor. That's the first real step towards financial freedom. Let your money work through investing. Now let's talk about putting your money to work. The simplest and safest way to start. SIPs, systematic investment plans. You invest a fixed amount every month into mutual funds. You don't time the market, you just stay consistent. This strategy uses rupee cost averaging, meaning when market dips, you buy more units. When it's high, you buy less. Over time, your costs average out. And here's the mind blowing part. Investors who stick to SIPs for 5 to 10 years have seen returns between 12 to 15% annually compared to just 5 to 6% in fixed deposits. Why? Because of compounding. Your returns start earning returns. It's slow at first, but after a few years, it explodes. So, if you haven't already started an SIP, you can start today even at 500 rupees a month. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about stocks and dividend income. Maybe you want a more active flow of income, something that actually pays you regularly. That's where dividend stocks come in. When you buy share in a profitable company, they share part of their profit with you as a dividend. The key is to pick consistent performance blue chip companies that have been paying and increasing dividends for years. It's like owning a small piece of TCS, Infosys, or HDFC and getting paid just for holding their stock. You can either take that cash or reinvest it to grow your wealth even faster. Now, let's talk about real estate. This is the classic Indian dream, right? Buy a flat, rent it out. But let's get practical. In tier 1 cities like Mumbai or Bengaluru, rental yields are usually around 2.5 to 3.5%. But in growing tier 2 cities like Pune, Ahmedabad, or Chandigarh, you can earn 3.5 to 4.5%, sometimes more. So ask yourself, do you want faster appreciation or better monthly income? That one question can decide what type of property you buy. Now, if managing tenants sounds like a headache, check out REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. They let you invest in commercial properties like malls and office buildings without actually buying them. You earn a share of the rent as dividends, and it's completely hands off. Next, let's talk about turning digital skills into cash flow. Alright, let's shift gears. What if you don't have huge capital to invest right now? No problem, because your skills can become your most powerful asset. The internet has changed everything. In India alone, we now have over 900 million internet users. That's a massive audience waiting for solutions, ideas, and inspiration. Here's how you can turn that into passive income. 1. Create an online course. Teach something you know well: digital marketing, photography, or coding. Platforms handle payments, delivery, everything. You just focus on creating content. 2. Write an ebook. With the tools like Amazon KDP, you can self publish a book once and earn royalties for years. 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Build an audience, then monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or your own digital products. Think of your content as seeds. Each video or article can keep generating income for years. Now, let's talk about scaling your income streams. Once you have got one stream running, don't stop there. Your goal is to build a portfolio of passive assets. Track how much each stream earns, how much time it takes, and which one gives the best return on investment. Then reinvest those profits to grow faster. Example: let's say your YouTube channel earns rupees 15,000 a month. Instead of spending it, invest that into a SIP or run ads for your posts. Now, one stream fuels another, and that's when compounding really kicks in. Remember this line: use the income from one asset to build your next one. That's how true wealth snowballs. Let's discuss the truth about risk and patience. I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but how long does it take? Here's the truth: real passive income takes time. An SIP might take 5 to 10 years to shine. A blog might take 1 or 2 years before it earns well. But once these systems start working, they turn with great momentum. And about risk, there's no such thing as risk free. The only way to reduce risk is through education, diversification, and testing small before you go big. If you want to go beyond YouTube videos and actually build your passive income systems step by step, then join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. Inside, you will get free and premium courses that show you exactly how to build online businesses that generate consistent income, master digital marketing and affiliate systems, scale from side hustle to full time freedom. Don't try to do this alone. Join thousands of others who are already creating real results. So, here's the truth: the best time to start building passive income was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Because every small step, every rupees 500 SIP, every blog post, every course, video is a seed you're planting for your financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow while you sleep. If this video has helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment with your first passive income goal, and subscribe for more real actionable strategies. And remember, you don't need to work harder, you need to build smarter. I'm Mayur, and I will see you inside the community. Bye.